This is the most important section here, driving along. That's where the rubber meets the road, basically. They test you on, your speed management on LaSalle and driving along in traffic, the traffic lights, right turns, lane changes, blind spot checks, all that. And then your turns at minor intersections, just make sure you come to full stops for your stop signs before you proceed. You have a good grasp of the rights of ways. I'm not worried about that. You know who gets to go first at four-way intersections and three-way intersections. The most common mistake that people make is when they get to a two-way intersection. So you're facing a stop sign, there's another stop sign on the other side, but there's nothing on the left or the right. And a lot of people, they'll stop okay at the line, but then they'll just go instead of crawling out there. That's the only time you do have to crawl out. When you're at a four-way or a three-way, you just stop for 3 seconds, and when it's clear, you just go without any hesitation, unless someone's about to hit you. And then they'll test you on, your parking. If you're going for your road test in the winter, it's not likely they'll get you to do the parallel. So, but definitely, if they don't get you to do the parallel, then they're going to get you to do both forward and reverse parking when you get back to the road test center. If they ask you to do any hill parking, which is likely, they'll get you to, usually in the wintertime, they'll get you to park downhill with a snowbank. Curbs aren't visible usually in the winter, so you don't have to worry about which way you turn the wheels. If they get you to park uphill with a curb, that's the only time you turn your wheels to the left. So I'm not going to test you on everything. I'm going to take you on the actual route that they take you on. 9 times out of 10. I don't know. It could change at any time, of course. Like, it depends on the examiner, but from what I've seen for the last, year or so, they've been using the route that we're going to be taking. Of course, they don't start from here. They start from the road test center. They just don't want us to use their parking lot during business hours. That's why we're here. This is the fake road test center right here.